back to my channel. In this week's video I did this look. I basically posted a snap and a picture on Instagram, I think, or Instagram story or whatever, and I've had so many people tell me to recreate the look, so here I am. So if you want to see how I got this eye look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so to get started, I'm just going to quickly fill in my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did my eyebrows and I primed my eyelids using my NYX Full Coverage Concealer. Now we are going to move on to the eyeshadow look, and I'm going to be using the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. And I'm first going to take this turquoisey shade right here and run that through my crease. This is going to be our transition color for this look. Then I'm going to take this blue shade right here and go ahead and run that through my crease as well with the same brush. Try to keep it lower than the shade that we previously put, just so we have a nice blend. Then I'm going to take the Subculture palette and take Axis right here and deepen up the inner and the outer corner. I'm going to take that second color we used in the transition from the NYX palette and run that through my crease just to clean everything up. And then to the fun part, we are going to cut the crease. Just use any concealer that you like. I'm just going to take some of my, actually I'll take my eye primer from Kat Von D. I'm just going to cut my crease, or do a, cut the crease in the middle, I guess. And then I'm going to take the Anastasia Prism palette and take Lucid right here and pop that where we put the eyeshadow primer. Then I'm going to go back into the Subculture palette and take Axis again right here and just blend the lines out. I'm just quickly going to line my lash line very closely. I'm not going to do a wing. I'm just going to try to conceal my lashes, you know, just a little line. Okay, so I have my my eyelashes on, and I'm going to quickly do my face makeup, and then we'll be right back to do the lower lashes. Okay, so to finish off the lower lash line, we are just going to take literally all the, well, these two shades from the NYX palette and then the Access shade from the Subculture palette. Where's my palette? From the Subculture palette, and literally just smoke it out. And then I'm going to take the Lucid shade from the Prism palette that we used to create the halo eye, and I'm going to highlight my inner corner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please give me a thumbs up. Make sure to follow me on all my social media at Glaaamz with 3 A's, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Bye!